वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल हर्ष भट्ट द कोरियोग्राफर। यस गाइस, आज हम करने वाले हैं गुजराती गरबा और वो भी बहुत ही बेसिक और बहुत ही इजी स्टेप्स में करने वाले हैं, जिसमें आप अकेले घर पे बैठे बैठे ये सीख सकते हैं ये वीडियो के जरिए। और इस वीडियो में हम सॉन्ग जो है वो यूज करने वाले हैं गरबा मैशर। सो लेट्स, ये जो हम स्टेप सीखेंगे आज वो बिगिनर्स के लिए है। And if you are advanced level, yes, surely we can show you the advanced step also, so you can do it. And if you want to learn more steps, you just have to ping me back, you just have to message me, so we can make the video and we'll shoot the video for you. Let's start the first step of the Garba Zumba, Garba exercise and the Garba dance, okay? This is very easy, you can learn it from home. So stay safe and stay home. Okay, so let's start. So you, first of all, you have to make sure whenever you are doing something, you have to go to downwards on your knees. So squat down. Okay, so squat down, make a fly and clap towards your right side. This is my right side, this is my left side. My watch is my left. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2. Okay, while you are snapping your clap, okay, while you're doing clap, you have to make sure you have to get up with the left leg. So squat and clap, squat and clap, squat and clap, squat and clap. You have to do it 4 times, and then after that you have to go with your right leg forward in the diagonal, and the right hand goes down, and now left hand goes down, and you have to make a pose like this. Make sure your chin is up. So again, 1 and 2. Okay, you have to do it twice. So let's start. So go 1 and clap, 2 and clap, squat and 3, squat and 4. 4 times and then 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same step you have to do 2 times. So now learn the second step is you have to go right first. Okay, so left leg goes right at the back side. Okay, at the back side, left leg goes right, and then you have to make sure your left hand goes up. You have to look towards your left hand. So go 1 and then go 2 and then go 3 and then go 4. Okay, this is very easy and very graceful step. So you can do it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This is 4 count, okay? You have to do it 4 times. And then you have to go towards your right side with the waving step. You just have to wave like a water, okay? And make sure you are dipping at the same time. Dipping is very easy. From the right leg, you have to go up and make a dip. This is step in place. This is nothing but step in place, okay? You just to go, take your knee up and the left knee go down. So this is the dipping step. This is very easy. Make sure your left hand go on the wrist. Okay, so let's start. So go 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Okay, you have to do it 2 times. So the whole second step is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is very easy. At the same time, while you are doing on the song, you have to be so energized so you can burn your fat, you can make your exercise at the very good level. Okay, so let's learn the third count, the third part of this song. So this third part is for advanced level students, advanced level candidates. Yes guys, the third part was quite difficult, but you can learn it easily, I am damn sure. So you just have to focus on your hand, on your leg, on your neck. So this is very easy, the advanced level Garba step, the third count. Okay, the left hand goes towards your diagonally left At the same time, the right hand goes up and you have to switch it like this. Switch it. Okay? At the same time, you have to go forward, lean down and backwards. So go forward, backwards. When you are coming backwards, make sure your right hand goes up. So what is the step? 1, 2. Okay? And 3, 4. So the whole step is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? 4, you have to make sure you have to finish it towards the right side. And then make a clap towards diagonally up right side. 1 and 2. You have to make sure you have to clap backward. Okay, so go 1, 2. Okay, and the third count is the slant, air flip. This is very easy but quite difficult in the learning part. So make sure your right side, right leg goes forward and you have to lean down, and when you are lean down, you have to get a jump from the air. This is air flip. This is very easy. You can learn it at home. If you find any difficulties, you have to message me directly in my YouTube channel. So I will make sure you will learn it. I will break it down for you. Okay? So the advanced level step for the Garba exercise, Garba Zumba, Garba dance for the Navratri is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is first step of the advanced level. This is third step. Now we're gonna learn the fourth step of the advanced level. The fourth step of the advanced level is make a clap towards your left side and make a clap towards your right side. So jump, jump, to jump, and then you have to make a flip, round flip, one leg turn, one leg twist turn. You have to make it 4 times. This is very easy. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is advanced level number 4. So let's start without wasting time with the music. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Hard workout, and this is for you guys. So same step, we're gonna do it in the fast rhythm, fast music. So let's start. Ready? 5, 6, 7 and play. 5, 6, 7. Fast music, fast rhythm. Come on, 5. Then really push hard yourself. Ready, hard work, hard work. So fast, so strong. दिस वॉज द बिगिनर्स स्टेप. जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये जो स्टेप थे वो बिगिनर्स के लिए थे, और अगर आप थोड़ा ज्यादा गरबा कर सको तो यू हैव टू डू इट एडवांस लेवल। जी हाँ दोस्तों, अभी जो मैं दिखाने वाला हूं वो है एडवांस लेवल। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द एडवांस स्टेप ऑफ द गरबा विद दिस। So this is guys advanced level for the advanced student. Yes guys, you have to push yourself harder. If you have any doubt in the air flip or the step, you have to ping me back in the comment section. So let's start without wasting time the advanced level steps. Ready? One, two. Ready? So guys, this was Garba Zumba, Garba dance, or you can say Garba exercise or basic step of the Garba. So please guys, like, subscribe and share this channel Harsh Bhatt the choreographer. Or guys, if you want, you can say in the comment what you want to learn, so we can make that video and you can learn easily from that video. So please guys, support us, help us, like, subscribe and share my channel Harsh Bhatt the choreographer. Thank you so much.